Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invite friends to play MLB The Show. First, make sure both you and your friend are logged into your respective gaming platforms and have MLB The Show up and running. From the main menu, you'll want to select the Play Online option. This is your gateway to all multiplayer experiences. Next, choose the specific game mode you both want to enjoy, whether it's a casual exhibition match or a competitive Diamond Dynasty showdown. Once you've selected your desired online mode, the next crucial step is to send that invitation. You'll typically find an option labeled Invite Friend or Play with Friends within that mode's menu. This will bring up your console's or the game's integrated friend list. Simply scroll through your friends, locate the one you want to play with, and select their gamer tag or online ID to dispatch the game invite. It's a straightforward process. After you send the invitation, your friend will receive a notification on their gaming console, usually a pop-up or a message. It's important for them to accept this invite quickly to ensure a smooth connection. Once they accept, their game will automatically transition them into your game lobby or session. From there, you can finalize team selections, adjust settings, and prepare to hit the virtual diamond together for some exciting baseball action. With both you and your friend successfully in the game lobby, the final step is to start your match. The host player, which is you in this scenario, will see an option to start game or begin match. Once selected, the game will load, and you'll be ready to compete or cooperate on the field. It's a fantastic way to share the excitement of MLB The Show with your buddies, creating memorable moments on the virtual baseball diamond.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.